Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Denmark in Minecraft. First, let's establish the basic geography. Start by creating a mostly flat landmass, as Denmark is a low-lying country. Then, carve out many small islands and an extensive coastline using water blocks. Use light green wool or concrete for fields and various shades of brown for natural terrain, setting the stage for your Danish build. Next, let's add some iconic Danish structures. Construct traditional houses using red brick blocks for walls and white concrete for window frames, reflecting common architecture. Build classic windmills with wooden bases and white wool for their rotating sails, a recognizable feature of the Danish landscape. Don't forget to craft a simple red and white Danish flag using wool blocks to proudly display. Now, let's focus on the natural landscape and finer details. Incorporate small rivers and canals using water blocks to weave through your flat terrain, mimicking Denmark's waterways. Plant oak and birch trees sparsely across the fields, creating a natural, open feel. Add small farms with wheat crops and animal pens, bringing a touch of rural Danish life to your Minecraft world. Finally, it's time to personalize your Danish creation. Consider adding a small harbor with boats crafted from wooden planks, reflecting Denmark's maritime heritage. Place streetlights and benches in any urban areas you've designed, adding functional details. Feel free to include unique structures or statues that hold personal significance, making your Minecraft Denmark truly one of a kind. Enjoy building.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.